Hi all, this is Yunus. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to create a pre-signed URL for an object which is stored in S3 bucket. The advantage of pre-signed URL is that the owner of this object is actually using his or her own credentials to create a URL which can be shared with anybody else, and that person with whom it is shared can actually access your object. But you also need to specify a time limit. For example, if you say 1 minute, this link is valid for 1 minute, it will work only for 1 minute. Let us see how we can create that. I have created this Yunus pre-signed bucket. Inside that I have puppies.jpg. We will just open it and see. Because I'm the owner, we can open and see. Just open it. Beautiful puppies, right? I'm going to close this. But if I pass this object URL to somebody, nobody else will be able to access it. For example, let me copy this and open another browser, and I'm going to paste this. You can see that access denied. So even if I provide this object URL, nobody will be able to access, or they will not be able to view this particular photograph. So what I can do is I can actually create a pre-signed URL which will use my credentials to create a URL which can be shared with my friend or anybody, and that person will be able to access that particular object up to the time you have specified as the limit, time limit for your pre-signed URL. Let us see. So select this, go to actions and click on share with a pre-signed URL. Here you can see that it is asking you how much time it should be valid. I will give 1 minute, okay, because this is totally for testing purpose. 1 minute this will be valid, and when I click on create pre-signed URL, after you create the URL, it is automatically copied to your clipboard, and then you can paste that into a mail and send it to your friend, etc. So I will create pre-signed URL. So now it is already created. Now let me open another window, another browser, and I'm going to paste that pre-signed URL here. Okay, and at the same time I also need to start this timer. Okay, it is already 15 seconds I think, but anyway, let's see. By the time it reaches 15 seconds, this will stop working. So I will stop the video for some time and come back once the time is up. Yeah, so you can see that pre-signed URL no longer works. So this is how you can actually use pre-signed URL. Let me stop this. This is how you can actually use pre-signed URL for temporarily sharing your contents, S3 object, S3 contents with any of your colleagues. Okay, this is a simple beginner level exercise. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll come back with more such videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.